Where we going outside for Juve morning? Yes, folks, until it's Carnival. Thematic Carnival 2026 and beyond. Where we going? We going outside, you don't know. AK Danny should say, outside for the carnival, outside for the bacchanal, outside. Raise up your hand, raise up your hand, raise up your hand. Outside for the Juve man. Get ready for St. Martin Carnival, it will be mass. Yeah, it's just a teaser. St. Martin Carnival, it's time to go bacchanal. We going outside again. See the people, the jamming down, let the rhythm coming down, vibration and music kick your in. When we start to let off, see the people that get down while going up for carnival. Then the bacchanal make you see them ladies, they up the time again, going up for carnival. Yeah, let's ladies, do you want to stay inside or do you want to cry? Do you want to really come outside, walk up your backside? Let me see you raise your hand and everybody bets. Let me see them sexy dancing. This is it. We going outside for the carnival. Bird, I walk.